If you don't have the text message effect available on your iPhone 17e, there might be a couple of reasons why you don't have that option. So the first reason why you might not have this effect option is because the phone number that you are trying to message might not be associated with any Apple device. So this is a requirement in order to use those effects. The phone number, the contact that you are trying to message must use, for example, an iPhone as well. If they have an Android smartphone, for example, then you will not be able to use those effects. So let's say I'm gonna try to contact myself over here. I'm gonna try to send a message to myself. Then now, as you can see on the right side here, we do have the text effect menu. If you still don't have that option, even though you're trying to send a message to an iPhone user, you can open settings and then proceed to general. Then over here we're gonna go to keyboard, and here you should be able to find predictive text option, which apparently might be the reason why this effect option is missing. So if you don't have it, you might want to make sure that it is enabled or turn it off and turn it back on. And there is one more thing that might be necessary, and that is to receive the message from someone first. So if the person that you're trying to send a message to is also an iPhone user, but you still don't have the text message effect, most likely they have to contact us first. They have to send a message to us first in order to get that option. And remember that you might also need to tap on the text field that we have in here in order to find the text message, because if I don't tap it over here, then this option is not available. Also, iMessage, of course, probably must be activated on both sides for both parties, so keep that in mind. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.